Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the 2 drippin' sound like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock when he make him look tenfold. He posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. He do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the run list. Soon as that work coming in and touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
Got the bikes in the cut in the bowling alley.
I'm about to cook up a couple people and all that.
Oh, the hat.
The one-way tip.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? But we outside right now. Look at these two. You know that they
Here's my lure shoe.
What size box?
Size 10.
Got it.
Thank you. They said they can only take one shoe.
Y'all got 9.5?
Thank you.
Yes, we do.
Look at my shoe. Okay. What you said this gonna be?
This gonna be a sturdy joint.
Whoa.
Oh, not that one, not that one, not that one.
Use that one, Steph.
Oh man.
The cleanup always be better though.
Yeah. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, see. It's a shiesty summer.
Hey yo, I'm not going to Oh yeah! Right the hands down! Easy money, slow it up.
Lord, Tip.
Clean them up. Come on, Steph, look.
It's shiesty season. Okay, Zay.
I do clean.
Woo! Lord, you man. Okay. Oh, we got Sneaky in the cut. Sneaky in the cut.
No press pass, man. What's up? Get on your shot. No, get on your shot. Come on, man. Find out some bullshit, man. Playing defense.
Yo. Alright, let's go, Zay.
Come on, Zay. What the fuck was that, Zay? What the fuck was that, bro? Come on, Sneaky.
Oh my God. Oh, we got Bones. What's Bones gonna do? Nothing. He ain't gonna do shit. Whoa. What you got?
He's so focused. Let's go. Where's that energy at?
Okay. Yeah, Kai. Lure split. You got the lure split. Lure 95.
He said, what
You got the lure 2-piece. Dick.
I'm wait. Yo, Sky. Dick.
Do it backwards.
Look, all head wash. All head wash. Look, watch. He's washed. He washed. Okay. Ah, I told you.
That was good. Watch him jump. None of y'all didn't even touch him. Fuck, y'all.
Yeah. It's shicey. Yeah, man.
We winning.
Man, it's shicey season. Let's go. Okay. Shicey season.
He's talking about the Balenciagas.
Shicey season.
Yo, go back to the
Oh, look at him wash. Wash. Look at him wash. Wash.
Hold on, wait this week on,
Okay. Yeah. Oh. 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 Okay. Yeah. Shicey season. Shicey season. Let's go.
He had to hop in his bag. He had to hop in his bag real quick. You got a strike, bro.
I'm going there.
Okay.
Oh, fuck.
One more.
Al, where you at, Al? This
Oh.
is the last
Oh.
one. The last one.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, yeah, come on.
Ain't got another drum. Okay.
Time.
Okay.
Time.
Clean it up. Clean it up. Let's go. Yeah. Clean that pup up. Shicey season. Oh.
Count it up. Hey, count it. Count it. All right, cool. Hey, how this score up there?
That's right.
Sneaky beat me already. Damn.
It ain't over. What y'all talking about?
Wash. 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 95-85 scoreboard. Okay, sneaky. Okay, sneaky.
Add it up.
Come on, sneaky, run it up.
No.
Make him pay, Steve. Come on, Steve. Make him pay.
Hold up, Sneaky. Oh, Sneaky to the right.
He got it. Go ahead.
Look some.
Yeah, we about to catch y'all.
Yeah, who's next? Come on. Yo, we won already. Let's go.
Come on.
Y'all didn't win. That's nice.
They said whoever finished first won.
Okay, Bones.
Oh, it's perfect.
Let's go.
That was calm.
Some light.
That was a little
Real
calm.
light.
Okay. A little calm, okay.
Go in that joint.
The numbers so good.
This is the last one, Ray, like you better get a strike.
Yeah, you better get a higher number than me. That ain't. Worming.
Plus 85 plus 103. 103 plus What's that, 97? Hard dirty, nigga, we beat y'all. We won. Yeah, we won. 530.
Run it back. Run it back. Yeah, we beat y'all. What's that energy now?
Sneaky carried y'all. Sneaky carried y'all. Look, if we added. Sneaky got the extra 5 points. Fuck you mean? Sneaky got the extra 5 points for y'all. Sneaky carried the little 5 point. Okay.
Yeah, they thought they won. That money, I don't thought they won.
Yeah, Sneaky carried y'all. Carried y'all.
Hands down, these are the best Pringles. These are the, I'm telling you, these are the best Pringles, bro. Yeah. All right. Y'all know about these? You ain't have a good childhood. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All right, this is where the works is at, bro. This is what the. Let's see. Which one?
I like the regular.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with the regular. You getting some? I'm dead serious. Put the nuggets up, Stefan. Trying to find where the nuggets at. These checker fries. I don't know if you ever heard about them, but these checker fries be busting.
Where can we get the dog bones?
You said the dog bones. Bro.
What's different?
Probably a price range.
What's in the dog bones?
You want the 5, the dog,
Oh, the dinos?
the dinos. Bro. Stefan.
No, you never had the dino nuggets?
No, I never had the dinos,
Those
bro.
are better.
You're gonna put those back for the dino nuggets.
Fuck yeah, G.
Okay. Nobody ain't just see what I did, Stefan. Nobody ain't just see what I did.
It's gonna be expensive.
Yeah, but oh well.
Right now he run 10 meter live, bro. Youngin', but he burned all his stripes like he a tiger. You gon' kiss her, you a wife, or I'm a listener and a writer. I could hit your sis, but I've been laying back, cause I'm a sniper. We've been doing this for too long.